Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the input lag on your PlayStation 4 when you're playing. Now, I am using an Amazon Fire TV, but most TVs come with an option for game mode. And you're going to have to look through the settings for how you do it on your specific TV, but this will allow you to have reduced input delay times on your TV. So if I press options and then scroll on down to where it says picture on my TV, the top option is picture mode. And I have various different options down here like movie dark, vivid, sports, but here is game. So we want to make sure our TV has the game mode selected, and this will help significantly when you're playing. And you're going to notice it when you're aiming left and right that everything's going to feel much more responsive. So look up how you do on your specific TV. Another thing that we can try is if we're connected to the PlayStation 4, we can switch from Bluetooth to the USB cable. But we have to switch this over in the settings. So if we select it, and then going down to devices, then go to controllers, here is the communication method. So by default, it's on use Bluetooth. So if you're plugged in with a USB cable, you're still going to be connected via Bluetooth. Try switching over to use USB cable. And another thing that might help you out is to go to sound and screen, then go to the display area settings, and just make sure these little markers are on the edge of your screen. Then another thing you can think about is playing on a PC gaming monitor or just a monitor in general. They typically have very low input lag times, so this one is only like 2 or 3 milliseconds compared to my TV, which could be in the hundreds of milliseconds. So this is going to be far more responsive as just a screen. Then also if we go up to settings and then go on down to where it says screen and video here, there's something on the PlayStation 5 that's called ALLM. This is auto low latency mode. Maybe you have this on like the PlayStation 4 Pro. I don't have one of those. But go ahead and make sure auto low latency mode is turned on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.